Hi there! In this video we shall learn how to start new CAD meter projects. In the Start menu we have three options: Start a new file, Open an existing file, or Open a sample from CAD meter. Let's start by opening a new file. In the next menu we have to select our DWG or DXF file, that is the file that contains our CAD project. In the second menu, we have three options regarding the initial budget data. We can start our project with a blank file, that is no initial data. We can import data from a CAD meter sample, or we can import data from an existing file. For now, let's start with a blank file. The first screen that appears is the budget screen, and as you can see, it's empty because we haven't started working on our project. The same goes for our articles, chapters and variables windows. They are all empty because we have started our project with no initial data. Let's now try and import data from an existing file. To import data from an existing file, we click on this button, and now we have to select our CAD meter file that contains the data that I want to import. In the next menu, I now have to choose which data to import. I can choose to import only articles and families, or I can choose to import all components and settings. We also have another option that allows us to remove unavailable components. This is useful for those situations in which I know that my previous project has some components that will not be present in my new project. So I click on this option. And now I click on Create. Once again, the budget window shows up empty because we haven't started working on our project, but as you can see, now the articles, the chapters and the variables menus all have the information that we have imported from our previous project, and that allows us to immediately start working on our budget for our new project.